Now I will tell you about the vernier calipers. This is involved in the class 11th, and you would be looking at what is the use of this vernier calipers in this exam. Since this has been included in the 11th class, so it must be known to you that what is the vernier calipers and how does it act, and what the skills are there and why it was needed. So a question was asked in 2019 in the NEET exam, that I will tell you at the end of this topic. First I take the vernier calipers. As the name says, that vernier, it has the two words, one the vernier, second the caliper. Vernier is the name of the scientist, that is the Pierre Vernier. And caliper, as you have seen, that some disabled person have the caliper to move. So because of that, it has the some thing to stand vertical, that are called the calipers. So they are the jaws of the instrument. That I will tell you here, and first I will tell you its name of the inventor. It was invented and made by Pierre Vernier in 1631, a French scientist. Now the question is that why it is needed. You know that with the help of the simple scale, we can measure up to only 1 millimeter. So least count of simple scale. Least count of simple scale. This is equal to 1 millimeter, or this is equal to 0.1 centimeter, or this is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 1 centimeter. It means that the simple scale can measure up to the 1 millimeter. If suppose the object has the width which is less than 1 millimeter, then this scale fails. So simple scale cannot measure the distances less than the 1 millimeter. The simple scale cannot measure less than 1 millimeter. So if we have to measure less than 1 millimeter, then we needed some new instrument. To measure less than 1 millimeter, a instrument is required. Which was given by vernier calipers, which are given by Pierre Vernier, which was given by Pierre Bernier. Now, what did Pierre Bernier do? That he divided the 10 divisions in the 1 centimeter into the 11 divisions. So, the value of one division is less than that of the 1 millimeter. Its principle is what? The value of n divisions on vernier scale equal to value of n minus 1 divisions on main scale. He divided n minus 1 divisions into n divisions. So now definitely the one division will be small and that will be the distance less than the 1 millimeter. Construction. The instrument is made of steel. Made of steel. तो आजकल जो बर्नियर कैलिपर्स हैं वो स्टील के बने होते हैं. It has 2 scales. It has 2 scales. Number 1, the main scale calibrated in millimeter, and second, the vernier scale have 10 divisions. Having 10 divisions. Having 10 divisions. The vernier scale can be moved on the main scale by means of a movable wheel. Jaws. It has two jaws. Number one, upper jaws. Upper jaws. This is used to measure internal diameter of objects. Second, the lower jaws. Lower jaws. This is used to measure external diameter. External diameter. And now strip, long strip, long, thin strip. This is used to measure depth of hollow objects. So these are some parts of the vernier calipers. And now I will draw a diagram that you can see from here. We have a this is now another jaws. This is now so much small and this is so much big. And here we have this is now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is now 1 centimeter, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is now 2 centimeter. This is 2 like this. And this is a long strip. Here we have this is the 0, it's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not like this. And it has a screw here. This is also fitted here. Though this is a rough diagram, and here we have a wheel like this. This I have drawn a rough diagram. This is now 2 centimeters. So these are lower jaws. Lower jaws. This is upper jaws. Upper jaws. This is a long strip. This is not a strip. Long, thin strip. Long, thin strip. This one. This is now Bernoulli. This scale. This is now main scale. And this we have taken here. This is now your vernier scale. This is vernier scale. Vernier scale. So these are the parts, and you can see that I have the instruments. When you see, this is now wheel. These are the upper jaws. These are lower jaws. And here we are having this a vernier scale, and this is the main scale. And when we open to this one like this, then you can see that as this is moved, there is a strip. This strip is used to measure the depth of the object. This is the screw that I have here. This so much screw. This is the lower part one. So in the lower part I will show you to this screw. This is to like this one. So this is the screw as you see here. These are the lower jaws. These are upper jaws. This is long strip. This is the vernier scale, and this is the main scale. This being an old instrument, you are looking at some parts of it has been rusted, but even it is active. So this is now wheel with the help of which this vernier scale is slided. Now this slides like this, like this, like this. And when we move this on this side, then this strip opens. As you are looking, this strip is on this side. So this is in this way. So this is the instrument, and it has in this lower side it has in centimeters, and the upper side this has in inches. But inches are not so much useful. We are only interested in the centimeters. So this scale is given in the millimeters, calibrated in millimeters. Now this main scale, the vernier scale, if you see very closely, then this vernier scale has the divisions, only the divisions here and nothing else. Now then we will see the least count. Least count. As you see that the least count means the minimum measurement by the instruments is called the least count. The minimum measurement by instrument is called least count. Least count. And now let us see that this least count we will find that I have written in the principle of this one. So let S equal value of one division on the main scale. MS means main scale. B equal to value of one division on the vernier scale. On the vernier scale. So, according to the principle, this n into b equal to n minus 1 into s. Value of n divisions of the vernier scale equal to value of n minus 1 divisions on the main scale. So this is now your nb equal to ns minus s, or this s equal to ns minus nb, or we have this n we take common, so s minus b into n, this is equal to s, or this s minus b is equal to s upon n. So this is not least count. So I told you that the 9 divisions are divided into the 10 divisions. So definitely the value of one division will be less than 1 millimeter. So this is what this s minus b. This is the value of one division of the main scale minus the value of one division of vernier scale. That is equal to the value of one division on the main scale divided by total number of divisions on the main scale. So here we have s minus b. So least count equal to s minus b equal to s upon n. So you can see directly from here that the value of one division of the main scale is a constant, that is now 1 millimeter. So now this least count is equal to 1 millimeter equal upon 10. As I told you that n is equal to 10. So this is now 1 by 10. So this is 0.1 millimeter. It means that we can measure up to 10th part of a millimeter. While in case of simple scale, it was measured only up to the 1 millimeter. So this 0.1 millimeter, this is also equal to 0.01 centimeter. This is now 100th part of a centimeter. And also we can write to this one 10 raised to the power minus 2 centimeter. This is 10 raised to the power minus 2 centimeter. Or we can say, if we convert this into the meter, then this is 10 raised to the power minus 4 meter. So this is not so much in the least count. So you can see that we can measure up to so much minimum distance, minimum measurement by this vernier calipers. So it is more better than the simple scale. Reading of vernier calipers. Now question arises that how to read the vernier calipers. If suppose we have something, suppose this is now given the instrument, this is now given instrument, and now you have to measure the thickness or the outer diameter of this pen, then we insert it in the lower jaws like this. Now this has been inserted here, and now we read. Just you see. This is here, and now we see that what is the value of the main scale and what is the value of vernier scale. So now question arises that how to read to this one. Main scale reading. This is in centimeter. In centimeter. And the vernier scale reading. This is equal to number of division on of vernier scale coinciding with any of division of the main scale. वर्नियर स्केल में 10 डिवीजन होते हैं। 10 डिवीजन में से कोई सा भी एक डिवीजन जो मेन स्केल है उसके किसी भी डिवीजन से कोइंसाइड करेगा। तो जो कोइंसाइड करता है उसका नंबर आपको देखना है। So suppose this is also 4th number, 5th number, or 6th number like that. Then we have to take that number and this will be multiplied by the least count into least count. So this is suppose nth number into least count. So total reading will be the sum of these two readings, the main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. So this is what the total reading equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. तो वर्नियर स्केल को कैसे रीड करना है हमको? जो भी इसका डिवीजन कोइंसाइड करता है उसका नंबर देखना है। दैट विच डिवीजन कोइंसाइड्स, दिस इज डिवीजन कोइंसाइड द फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, एनी ऑफ देम अप टू 10th. If suppose two divisions are coinciding, particularly this may happen, but not in general. And if by the way that the two divisions are coinciding, then we have to take the first one, which is coinciding with any of the division on the main scale. So that we have to take this number, and this two multiplied by the least count, that will give you the total reading. And if you add these two readings, then this will be the total reading of the vernier calipers. Now uses of vernier calipers. Uses of vernier calipers. First, to measure internal and external diameter of objects like calorimeter. Second, to measure thickness of narrow thin paper, thin glass sheet, and third, to measure the depth of hollow objects, like calorimeter. Then with the help of this one we can measure the surface area, the volume of the objects. The area of object and volume of the cylinder. So now total area is equal to 2 pi r h plus this is now your 2 pi r square. So this is equal to 2 pi r and this is now your h plus r. This is now we can find, and the volume V equal to this is now your pi r square h, where h is the depth and r the radius that we can measure with the help of vernier calipers. So this is the uses of the vernier calipers, and there may be other so many uses that are given in the practical book, and this I will not discuss here. Now I will tell you a numerical problem that was asked in the NEET exam in 2019. Numerical problem. So it is a NEET 2019. NEET 2019. What is the question? The main scale of vernier calipers. vernier calipers as n divisions. N divisions per centimeter. This is given n division per centimeter. N divisions of vernier scale coincides with n minus 1 divisions of main scale. The least count of the caliper is the least count of vernier calipers is. Now the options. The option is number 1. It was the 1 upon n into n plus 1 centimeter. Second, it is 1 upon n plus 1 into n minus 1 centimeter. Third, this is 1 upon n centimeter. And fourth, it was 1 upon n square centimeter. So you see, just you read this question, that main scale of the vernier calipers has n divisions per centimeter. N division of vernier scale coincide with the n minus 1 division of the main scale. So this is according to the principle of the vernier calipers. It means that we know that the value of the least count is equal to s upon n. That will be applied by this one. The least count of the vernier calipers is how much? This will be either this or this one. Which is the correct one? So now solution to this question is, now we know that least count is equal to s upon n. This we know. And the value of s is how much? N division per centimeter. So s will be how much? Here s equal to, this is now 1 upon n centimeter. 1 centimeter has n divisions. The value of 1 division is equal to 1 by n centimeter. So this is what I have written, this s equal to 1 by n centimeter. So here this s will write down this n. So the least count will be how much? This is now 1 by n upon n. So this is 1 upon n square. Now so much centimeter. This is now correct answer. So now option is 4th. So this is what that I have told you, that the question may be asked from this vernier calipers, and also this can be asked that what the uses are there, why there are the upper jaws, what is the lower jaws, why the strain, why the main scale, why the vernier scale, and which scale moves and which scale remains constant. So here the vernier scale is movable and that main scale remains the constant. So this vernier calipers is better than the simple scale, because simple scale can measure up to the 1 millimeter, while this can measure up to 1/10 of a millimeter. So this instrument is better than the simple scale. So this is what all about the vernier calipers. So So you all like, share and subscribe the video and share it as much as possible. So thank you very much.